Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with questions from the HSEE 2019 paper. So the question that we'll be focusing on is the question number 36 from the quantitative aptitude section. So let's take a look. If the difference between two specific numbers is 12, LCM of the two numbers is 63 and HCF of the two numbers is 3, find the sum of the two numbers is. Okay. So let me suppose let one number be AX and other number be bx. Okay, so what's given? It's given that their difference is 12, so we can write ax minus bx is equal to 12. So x common, a minus b will be 12. Okay, so this is what we have. Now let's try and understand a concept in this regards. Suppose we have a number say ax and another number say bx, then we can actually conclude from the same is that HCF will be the common element, that is HCF would be x. Okay, HCF would be x and LCM would simply be a into b into x. Okay, so we know this. Now let's try and understand. It's given that HCF of the two number is 3. Okay, so here x is the common element, so this equation we can write 3a minus b is equal to 12, or a minus b is equal to 4, right? We can write this. Now further it's given the LCM of the two number is 63. So if we talk about the LCM, then we can further write it this way: ABX is 63. So therefore AB would be 63 by 3 or 21. Okay, so now we have two broad equations. What are they? So what are they? A into b is equal to 21 and a minus b is equal to 4. Okay, now what are the factors of 21? We know it is 7 and 3. Okay, so this a will be 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So this condition is satisfied. So therefore first number is ax, or 7 into 3, that is 21. Second number is bx, or 3 into 3 equal to 9. So 9 plus 12 is 21, condition satisfied. Therefore the sum would be 9 plus 21 equals to 30. Okay, should be. So I hope this question is clear to you. So that is a very good question. So I hope you shouldn't really face any issue while in the solution as well. Having said that, we'll continue our discussion on the similar sort of question in the subsequent videos as well, wherein we'll try and cover the subsequent questions of the section as well. Having said that, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.